Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
Oh my God, it is happening. It is hump day, and there has been a pullback. People have left Pepe. I know Pepe's trending. I understand people are upset, but we really have to look at Bitcoin because in the end, Bitcoin's going to go and Pepe's going to follow wherever Bitcoin goes. So I do want to start off immediately with Coin Market Cap. Give me 1 second here, boys. Red Sox, what's going on? Nice to see you. Nice to see you, buddy. We're gonna make it, but unfortunately, Pepe is down. It is trending on Coin Market Cap, 11%. It was 11%. Now it looks like people could be writing it up, and it all depends on what is happening with Coin Market Cap today, boys. Refresh. There we go. I got a baby with me today. You may see the baby. Well, I'll start off with the baby first. Sup, Teddy and the Goons. She just woke up from her nap and she's feeling good. She had a very long day today. She ate a lot of good stuff and experienced a lot. She's almost a year, but right now she's 9 months. She went for her photo shoot. So, Kyra, meet the Goons. Goons, meet Kyra. You met her many times before, but this is she's mesmerized. She's looking at Red Sox's icon of Red Sox. Yes, these are two Red Sox. They're from Boston, Massachusetts. What's happening, buddy? I got a baby that just woke up, so did not expect this. Up, Teddy and the Goons, good boy. What's going on, buddy? Yo, Teddy, Dynastic Wolf. We are talking about Pepe because it is trending down like anything. People are pulling out of Pepe. They're telling us, but the larger picture does show it's a very small pullback, but a pullback nonetheless. But I am not too concerned because in the end, Teddy Jr., look at that, you're a little Teddy Jr. What's going on, Gold Magic Carp? Nice to see you, buddy. I love the Ganja Goons Triple G's NFT you got. I know that's your favorite. So looking at Pepe, 5014. I do want to look at Bitcoin as well, because we're still out relatively okay on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going to be what's important on what happens with the Pepe movement, because you know how closely those charts line up. All right, let me send her back to my wife. Here you go. Bye, Kyra. So 29,769, that is exactly where we have our support, and we still haven't bounced off of it truly. We've been pretty much going sideways crab market, not too concerned there. But if now that I am trading futures with John, and we got our boy SK Suresh, and movement, especially when it comes to prediction of how much something can go up or down, is very important when it comes to Pepe, especially when riding the Bitcoin fluctuations, right? So if you can predict, hey, Bitcoin for the next day is going to see an upward swing, you figure out something, or you're seeing the volume come in, the trends are going up, you might as well go into Pepe and be like, all right, Pepe is going to see an upward trend, right? Like it's literally ignoring the previousness. I'm going to line up BTC and Pepe and ignore all the yellow lines, but like, look at this, right? It's like I'm looking at the same thing, Teddy. What is this, Teddy? You see? I have it on the day candle, literally line. Why won't this freaking save the way I want it to? I have it saved right here, and it's like literally I'm looking at the same chart. So, what's convenient for us is kill the frog. What do you mean kill the frog? What happened with the frog? What'd the frog do? Gold Magic Carp, tell me. Yeah. What did the frog do? You need to tell me because I don't think it did anything to you, sir. I think you're completely fine. What about kill the dog, man? Why isn't the dog following anything else, right? We got Bitcoin doing fairly well going sideways, and this appears to be a larger pullback than anticipated. And even when I'm looking, when I think I saw on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu's only says 4.25, but the chart that I look at makes it appear far worse. But when in doubt, zoom out. But I still don't like it. Maybe inverse cup. I dislike memes. What are they doing with all that money? Nothing. They're doing nothing with all that money because there's no tax. They have no money. um, unless it's a meme coin that has tax, I guess. I guess that is possible in this world. Oh my god, that's hilarious. A valid point. They are doing nothing with that money, sir, because they have no money unless they've airdropped themselves tokens. XRP 46. Thank you. Thank you. All right. XRP 46 cents, guys. And you know what's crazy with XRP and Pepe? It's following the same exact trend. It's down. It's not even sideways, it's straight down. So I'm not sure. I hear from the XRP maxis we're gonna make it all back. We're gonna win the SEC case, and XRP jumped to $2. So I'm still waiting. I'm believing. I believe one day it's gonna happen. Whether it's gonna be today or not, I don't know. Um, what else is going on? Let me see. Global crypto market 1.16. That's not bad, bro. I've been in XRP long for over a month. How much are you freaking up then? Should I go long on XRP too? On this? Yeah, I'm literally getting into futures. Today I got wrecked with all my stop losses, but normally when I'm doing the futures, I do pretty well, but then Bitcoin just did the Bitcoin thing of a small pullback here. And now it looks like the green candles are coming in, so I may ride this up. And then BNB is I'm starting to think maybe 220 is achievable because it's been a lot of red candles in the overall trend, and it's not a good sign, especially when RSI is basically hugging the bottom. And if it's hugging the bottom this long, you start to wonder. And then some people told me maybe there's a divergence coming in. So for those of you guys who are like, Teddy, what's divergence? This is one of the things. Let me see. Do these guys explain it well? RSI divergence. So you got RSI here, and you see the RSI slant from peak bottom to peak bottom is different than the slant of the chart. So when it diverges like that, they say that's a bullish indicator, right? So we're coming back to BNB. So if we were to draw a line from here to here, and I drew a line from here to here, sirs, that line is going the same way. So unless I'm seeing some divergence that like unless I'm not seeing it, I don't know what divergence these guys are seeing unless they're completely ignoring the other candles. So I do not see any bullish divergence on the RSI. But I could be wrong. Maybe it's a different RSI indicator. Maybe my metrics don't line up perfectly. But for me personally, right now, I do not see it. The other fun one that we talked about is the MA200 crossing the MA50, which is the death cross, right? So now that we got the death cross, it still tells me that I'm like, dude, we got the death cross. Death cross sign is in. And we did see the last time we saw the death cross, the pullback was around the same. I think this one was not it. Where was the last time we saw the death cross? This one. MA200 crosses on the downturn. Dude, look how many levels we broke down the last time the signal came in, right? And if we're going from history, so technically we're here, right, in the current future. But in the past, it did go back up. So if I call bottom, maybe we cross support line, but then that death cross sign indicates, a very bearish trend. And we literally you would have ridden that from like 400 all the way down to 184. Imagine the kind of month you're having April to June. You're just wrecked. All of May, you're like, I'm wrecked. And then June comes in, I'm wrecked even harder. Well, guess what, boys? We just had that happen. What people are telling me is, Teddy, don't worry about the death cross because the bands are narrow, which is also a good point. We've crossed over multiple times with death cross, golden cross, death cross. I did not initially agree because I just felt like it was straight death crosses across. And just in case I sound crazy, I'm going to show death cross and golden cross as well. All right, so here's death cross. Dun, dun. Let's see. MA50, MA50, MA200 crosses the MA50, and that's the death cross. All right, so here it is. So here's the MA 200 coming in. And actually, does this show this better? I think this one's better. Yeah. This is basically exactly what's happening. We've had multiple signs of death cross, so I'm now switching back to BNB. Guys, stick with me here. We're learning. We're getting real deep into this, but it's important because we're trying to figure out, especially for our futures traders, what's happening with BNB, because you can probably do some predictive moves, especially if it's going to go down, right? So the death cross I'm talking about is here. The 200-day moving average crosses over the 50-day moving average multiple times, which is basically what's happening here. So I'm going to highlight the 200-day moving average, the one that's dotted, crosses over here, death cross, crosses over here, death cross, crosses over here, death cross, crosses over here, death cross. And the bands are so narrow, we're getting just like a bearish trend overall, which is not a good sign. And RSI's dipped down. And all these death crosses are happening when the price is relatively decent, so from 285 we're at 231. So if I was to now imagine what's going to happen, and we know there's going to be pullbacks and reversals, so we probably did ride pullback now, but we could have a reversal before the next support line is tested again, which is at 220, and then we could have another retest at 220 if it does do a reversal. So there's a lot that can happen with BNB on the way down, and on the way down, that's where these guys are making the money because they're betting against BNB. They're like, yeah, I'm in SHIB. How many zeros is this? 5066. And Pepe. Oh, this is when you got into SHIB and Pepe early on. Yes. Dynastic Wolf, I do remember you telling me this, sir. Oh, my liquidation price is 43. Just been hanging in there for the run to 60. Oh my God, dude. XRP. Oh my God. Let me see. Because I literally have my retest of support at 43.9. So basically 44 cents. You may be good because I think you got some backing with you. I think if what I'm hearing in the rumor mill is right, the SEC is gonna win, Teddy. You're gonna see. Then I think you're golden, 100%. I'm really hoping you guys can't hear the crying baby in the back. But I guess I'll find out later on when I listen to the recording. We got a crying baby, boys. She just wants her daddy. I made it. I'm here, Crypto Pie William. What's going on, buddy? I love it. Thanks for coming. I'm just talking about futures because me, SK, John Crispala, Coochie Boy. We're all into futures right now. We're degenning like anything. Coochie Boy's already been in there. And now, I'm getting my hands wet as well. Dirty as wet, dirty. I don't know what the actual term is. Um, wait, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. One of my freaking futures on Pog AI just hit 182. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is Can you see this? Oh my god, SK, are you there? I just hit 118% on Pog AI, bro. I went long on that. I got in at a good price too. That's me, SK. We did it, buddy. We got our money back. Oh my god, finally. Dude, I just closed that right now. Let me see. Did I get it? Yes, I finally back to where I was. Oh, I need to freaking message this guy now. What's his name? John. Guys, it's wild. Like literally, I've been doing futures, and there are times where you just like rug yourself, and there are times where your stop loss and your take profits just work out so well. So I'm quite happy with how this planned out. I'm gonna quickly message the group, let them know that this ended up in my favor. Dude, I really went long on it too, and I'm using MEXC, and they like using KuCoin because I guess KuCoin has those micro cap contracts and everything. So you return. I guess I had it backwards, huh? It's the 50 that does the crossing that indicates whether it's a death or a golden. Dude, this is the thing. This is the thing. I've seen um the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, but there are people that do it the other way. And let me see. So this one, you see actually this one's 200 too. There are people. No, wait. We're in here. So here they say that the 50-day. No, this is not a good one. Where is it? Here it is. No, this is Golden Cross. I have seen it in some charts where they declare the death cross when the 15-day moving average is just crossing over the 200 as well. But I cannot find a good picture now. But yeah, for the most part, you had it backwards. It's 200 crosses over 50 on the downtrend, usually indicates it. See, sometimes in illustrations it'll be like this, and it makes it seem like, wait, so the 50-day crossover on 200-day? Because keep in mind, all I searched was golden death cross MA, right? So Binance Academy, let's go there. We'll click into them. We'll see what they say. And here's the proof: the 50-day crosses the 200. So even though my initial Google search when I searched death cross says it's 50-day and 200, don't get fooled. You guys, you need to understand each line and which one is what line, because they matter when they cross over. So I click into the thing, I'm educating myself, I'm educating the goons, right? So now I click into the Binance Academy article. I'm not going just from the crazy Google search picture. I'm go, oh, okay, so this is a golden cross when the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200. And then we keep scrolling down, and here's the death cross, right? The 200-day moving average crosses the 50-day, and usually the 50-day is on a downtrend, right? And on this one, the golden cross, the 50 days on an upswing, right? So these are the two things, especially when it comes to moving averages, that's going to tell you what's going to happen in the foreseeable future, usually meaning the next day, the next 3 days, right? And then we can use these moving averages plus RSI, divergence, right? We just talked about divergence in order to make educated guesses on what's going to happen to a crypto chart before anyone else. So I'm looking for divergence here, below the same. So divergence is also important when it comes to RSI, but now we just talked about indicators on MA50, moving average 50, and then the other line MA200. Maybe I should make these different colors. Maybe that would be uh that'd be better. visibility or style. Okay, here we go. All right, so MA will do what? Green. MA50 as oh no, this is 200. What did they have 200 here? Oh, well, I'll use the Binance colors. MA200 is red. Okay, MA200 is red. Ba-dum. And then we'll do MA50 as green. Ba-dum. All right. So we are now following. Wait, is this across the board? Yes, this is across the board. It changed once and it's everywhere. Ah, dude, there are so many yellows now. I can't do this. I almost want to feel like I want to get rid of some of this, but maybe it's just because I have my views all crazy now. Maybe I just do this. All right, so whoops. Go remove that. So what did we last see? So here we see the green, which is the MA50, cross the 200. And guys, you know what that is? This is a freaking golden cross. And you know what a golden cross does? It's done exactly that. It indicates a bullish trend. And look, if you had gone long on BTC at freaking when this golden cross formed at 21K, you're now sitting at 30K. You're living like a king. You know, that's the thing. Don't use KuCoin, KYC coming. So what? Mexi is the only one. Have you heard of Pepe Man? Tony, did someone else told me about Pepe Man? Was that you? Did you try and tell me about Pepe Man in a earlier stream? Oh my god. I've been on the road like anything that it was wild after I was trying to get as many errands done as possible, do everything. It's been one long day for both Kyra and myself and Emily as well. Don't use KYC. KuCoin KYC. I did not. Okay, so it wasn't you. So someone else did tell me about Pepe Man, but I didn't do any research. I didn't get into it. I didn't do anything of that sort. I've been pretty much degening into futures, as I just shown you, uh, that I just made. Oh my god, dude, this is freaking wild. I can't believe I made a freaking 100. I want to make another freaking futures bet, bro. But I want to do it like legally. Like I feel like it's I got to go back to freaking New Hampshire or something and place some more bets uh on futures. Let me see here. Anyone in Pepe 2.0? What the hell is happening with Pepe 2.0? It's skyrocketed. All the 2.0s are skyrocketing. Doge 2.0. Pepimon has only 200,000 tokens. Triple G's. There he is. There he is. I'm late to the stream. What did I miss? Bro, I just sent a screenshot in the futures chat. Check. What plus 118 on Pog AI? John Crispala, bro. Smartest guy we ever met. Finally, we're making some wins. Dude, imagine if I got 118%. That means John raked it in like anything because, he's a heavy hitter. He's been in this game for quite some time. Yes, but I'm finally back to where I started, so I need to keep going, I guess. Oh my god, finally no stop loss. Teddy, you're gonna have to step into stock options one day, bro. Step into, dude. The only stock options I truly is like when my mom calls me and I look at Tesla. That's about like the only time. There's only a few. Wait. What is this? What is this that just formed? Oh no, this is on the freaking. No, this is on the one day. This is on the one day. This is a legit candle. Yo, Tesla about to go crazy. Okay, so bullish, right? So this is the MA200, MA50. I know this is a crypto stream, but I sometimes help my mom out. And she and she watches Tesla. So I'm gonna go tell her, be like, "Yo, Tesla may do real good. Go long on Tesla, according to the chart." And then watch the bands are so narrow. The next day, it crosses over to a death cross or some BS like that. I'd be so sad. Don't listen to Teddy. Don't listen to Teddy. Oh my god. Yeah, but not bad, guys. Like the Tesla guys, you guys have suffered the most. Like imagine seeing freaking Tesla at 100 and coming back to 250. Like talking about degenerates, bro. You guys are the true degenerates. I've seen it all. I've seen it all. Yeah, but RSI is definitely up there. But yeah, I definitely have to check out stocks as well. But I feel like with stocks, I'm gonna go crazy. Coin been hot when BTC moves. Easy money. Wait, what coin? Coin been hot when BTC moves. I was having fun yesterday with future trades on comp. Dude, I know. I saw all your wins. Dude, you're degenning into futures like anything. And you're making some smart moves. You've learned TA, John's taught you very well. You ask me for some advice as well, and I'm not a financial advisor. But I always, give you my input in order to be if I was in SK. And yet Shiba Inu continues giving me the death cross, and the freaking Shiba Inu community hates my Shiba Inu videos, boys. Like I tell them, I'm like, dude, Shiba Inu just had a death cross happen, and like, no, you're wrong. You don't know TA, you're wrong. I'm like, what the hell? Like, look, I'm on Binance Academy, and it literally says, what is a death cross? And it shows 200-day moving average crossing 50-day moving average on a downtrend. Look at this, guys. This is 200-day moving average crossing the 50-day moving average on a downtrend. This is literally dictionary definition of death cross. And nope, they still come to my video and they're like, no, Teddy, you're wrong. Oh my God, there's no winning in this space. 1K would have been 15K in 3 hours. Dude, what? Coinbase calls was only 11 last Friday. Are you serious? Oh, that is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Costco's death cross is more bullish. What the hell? Bullish golden cross. All right, here's Costco's death cross. Battles. Yeah, so I'm always learning like random pattern analysis and indicators, and it is not 100% accurate. It's just always a learning thing, and you figure out new patterns all the time, right? I've hit you with the cup and handles, the freaking stars, the hanging mans, the doji candles. I'm trying to think. There's been so much education we have learned that I'm just like, yeah, it's been quite fun trying to understand what's happening. Dude, you need to tell me up with these Coinbase calls. Message me after this. And freaking say get active on Telegram, bro. We're doing now, we got a futures channel and we got the general channel. So if you want to be a ganja goon degenerate with us and not financial advice, not a call channel either. We're just a discussion forum where we discuss different topics. Definitely reach out. Any of the mods, SK, myself. I'm at TEDIGANJA on almost all platforms. You will be able to find me. Find me. Find me. I just saw your Telegram message. Yo, lit podcast, dude. I'm back to where I started with that win, dude. I'm back to where I started with that win. So we're gonna keep building. We're gonna keep building. Um, and it's like it's constant learning curve. There's no right or wrong answer. But one thing I want to talk about, SK, while you're here, is Pepe. The chart looking pretty sad right now, and I'm wondering if this is our time to get back in or something. Let me see. Does this actually? So let me look at freaking RSI divergence again. 1 second here, boys. RSI divergence So educating myself again, images. So we're looking for RSI divergence. What you look for is basically the divergences to be opposite: lower low, higher low, equal low, higher low, lower low, equal high, right? So this is the price, this is the indicator, this is the price, this is the indicator. Okay, so this is the RSI indicator and this is the price. Okay. So now let me go back to Pepe. So I'm going to chart the lower low. Dude, what? How the hell do I do this? From here to here? Yo, this is one hell of a freaking indicator, bro. And then this one is what? From this low to this low. See how it's not following the same? So now we go back to this. So I have something that's like this, but equal, right? So this is bearish. You see? I have something that's like this. I guess this is not equal too. This is technically, dude, this is so hard to say, but this is exactly what RSI readings like. You're looking for that divergence pattern. No, technically both mine go like this. Is that even on here? Like that? Yep. So everyone reads charts different. So welcome to the club. Dude, this is me like every single time. I'm like, which one is it? Which one is it? Just tell me. Just tell me. And this is the freaking cheat sheet. So I don't think mine is an actual pattern, or I've charted the divergence incorrectly, which does not also make sense. I went from low to low. Or wait, does he maybe I go from high to high, but then if I go from high to high, that's literally that. And then this would be from here to here, which is pretty much going the same way. So that is lower low. I have something like this. No, I have higher high. Lower low, yep. And then my indicator is higher high. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. There is no one in here. That's what this tells me. Hidden. Nothing is evident. So really what I want to do is get indicators like this and the price like this. And it'll be better. Dude, this is horrible, man. This is literally. And I'm just learning divergence. So like don't hate me. I'm still educating myself so you don't have to. Big shout out to our guy, John. Stock options trading is similar to futures, except you buy a call if you're long or a put if you're short. Except you buy a call if you're long and a put if you're short. Oh, okay. But I thought stock options, they like call you and ask for money and then you get screwed or something. Teddy, put up the Telegram invite, bro. Put up the Telegram invite, bro. No. If you want to be in there, find me. I'm not putting it up publicly. The last time we did that, people went crazy and tried to create all kinds of drama, and we're keeping the group truly fun, goon lovers, like no haters, please, and no people with agendas trying to push tokens that they're into while using us for exit LP. So we're very selective on identifying that you are a legitimate soul when you enter. So definitely want to make sure you're not using us for the wrong reasons. And the last time I did something like this, people were botting the group like anything. They were like, "Oh, I just have a bot in there, Maestro Sniper bot, and it just sits there waiting for Teddy to post a contract. And when he does, it instantly buys, and that's unfair." Great idea. I'll find you, dude. What do you mean you'll find? You're in the freaking chat, Coochie boy. Did you leave the chat, dude? I feel like this guy left the chat. Let me check, dude. Did you leave the chat? Get your boy. Get your boy. Coochie boy, it literally says Coochie boy, Alpha Finder. You're even ranked in the chat, buddy. You're even ranked in the chat. Find us. We have futures chat, and then general is just for degen plays. We're checking contracts, making sure nothing's sketch. We're not going to rug pull or get ourselves rug pulled or anything like that. So very, very fun, very tight goon community, and it's fun. Yeah. Let me see here. Dude, did we check CoinDesk yet? I feel like I've been talking forever. I don't even know what we've checked. Let me see. CoinDesk, was there only clickbait today? I didn't actually have a time to check before I got on the stream. As I said, I was running around like anything. Bitcoin prices topping 31.9K. Wasn't that yesterday? Yeah. First move Asia, Bitcoin retreats, quickly regains 30K. Yeah, that's fine. Binance or banking partner. I think it's going to be very long till we see 22K or 20K BTC again. I think now that 30K is established, this is it. We go in 30K for quite some time, boys. And then when 30K to 40K happens in like 2-3 days, people are going to start going wild. They're going to be like, Teddy, I don't know what's happening. It's all happening so quick, Teddy. We're making the money back, Teddy. I'm going to be like, yeah, I saw this coming. And we're literally on a red. So yeah, futures boys, dude. SK, you still here, or should we just do freaking go short on Pepe and ride it out? See if it hits the candle again, straight retracement, boom, bank a Yui, or Shiba. You want? Oh wait, is Crow possible? Can we go? Can we go short on Crow? I believe, buddy. I believe. But just not today. Yeah, all these charts look. I'm here, bro. What do you think? Do we go short on Pepe? We need to get John's input on here. John, tell me short on Pepe, buddy. Dude. Wow. We have learned a lot today, buddies. We have learned a lot today. CoinDesk, let's check again. First mover, yeah, we read that. Yeah, nothing. Gary Gensler failed the U.S. crypto industry, and so has Congress. Yeah, we already knew that. Sounds like Paulo is one of us. He's a goon in the inside. Crypto custody firm Ledger introduces institutional grade trading. I'm skeptical about this. The network has a range of partner firms. Crypto.com. Yeah. Bitstamp. Hobie, Hayubi, Wintermute, Koma Inu. Koma Inu. Ledger, best known crypto storage devices that was once hated, but now I guess not so much. In the wake of events, there are also concerns. Wait, so what? They're giving all their holders freaking has signed up no number of cryptos, including signed up for what? With an open enterprise grade trading platform designed to meet their risk management and regulatory requirements. So they're somehow giving their ledger technology, and they're like, hey, you won't lose your stuff if you use this. You can trust us. We haven't been hacked. The solution connects custodians, OTC brokers, exchanges, and means you can trade without having funds on the exchange. So it removes the exchange risk. I see. I like that. I kind of like that, to be honest. Looking forward. Dude, when am I supposed to get my ledger stacks, man? I'm still waiting for my ledger stacks. And for those of you guys like, Teddy, what do you mean? We just talked about stacks yesterday. That you bought it on Coinbase, remember? No, I'm not talking about that stacks. I'm talking about ledger stacks, which is the freaking let me see, ledger stacks right here. Digital display, a digital display wallet, and you can show your NFTs, boys. We literally have something we can physically hold that's not a cell phone but looks like a cell phone but much smaller. And some of us have pre-ordered this. I know some goons have pre-ordered this already. But it looks slick, and I've ordered it. I even have the regular ledger, but I haven't opened it because all that stuff came out. So now it looks like you can get 30% off already. So definitely check it out if you haven't checked out any of the ledgers. I always talk about self custody being the best custody because you don't want to be in a situation where an exchange goes under and your money's locked in a lawsuit and you have to declare bankruptcy. So you definitely don't want to be stuck holding or not holding your own crypto assets. So definitely make some educated guesses here and know where your crypto is being stored. Market up or down, we make money with Future and John TA to double check. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, dude. Dude, we got to stop telling people we're making money. No, we're not making anything. We're getting rugged, all right? People don't like to hear when people make money. They like to hear when people get wrecked. My views tell it all. When I make a video and I'm like, I got rugged, like 200 views. But if I make a video, I'm like, I made money, they're like 20 views. I'm like, what? What? Aren't you happy for me? No, I want to see Teddy get wrecked. Oh my god. All right. I'm good. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Yeah, I'm back to normal schedule, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. You know how it is. You know where to get me. Make sure you smoke that like button. There better be 8 likes right now. Otherwise, I'll be a sad panda. Guys, I'm out of here. Stay safe. Stay safe. I don't even feel like I have a very good outro. I need to work on my outro. I always say like, oh, don't be a hero. But like how many times I'm gonna say don't be a hero? But it's like I have to always tell myself, don't be a hero, because the times I am a hero doesn't work out well. So guys, always remember, don't be a hero.
Don't get wrapped. Yeah, yeah. Don't get wrapped. Yeah, don't get wrapped. Yeah, don't get wrapped. Yeah, yeah. Get informed, get informed.